Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Python programming. In last video, we have done that how to set up Python on your local machine or system. Now in this video, we will discussing how to write your first program in Python. So here we using VS Code for writing code. You can use any other IDE. IDE basically means Integrated Development Environment, which is used for writing code or building softwares effectively. VS Code is a popular code editor that provides a lot of useful features for programming. So let's get started. Now first let's go to the official website of Visual Studio Code, which is code.visualstudio.com. Here you will see a download button that will allow you to download the latest version of VS Code for your operating system. Just click on the download button and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the instructions to install VS Code on your computer or system. First check mark the accept the agreement option and then just click next and after that click on install. Because I have VS Code already, so I just cancel this. Once you have installed Python and VS Code, open VS Code directly or just by command prompt. And click on new file. Now that we have opened a new file in VS Code, let's write our first program in the editor. Type the following code. Now save the file with .py extension. For example, you can save the file as hello.py. To run the program, open the integrated terminal in VS Code by clicking on terminal. Type python filename.py and hit enter. This will run the program and display the output on the console. Now understand the code. Let's understand the code we just wrote. The code consists of a single line of code that calls the print function. The print function takes a string argument and displays it on the console. Congratulations, you have successfully written your first program in Python using VS Code.